By when must a prosecutor provide the evidence against a defendant in a criminal case in the state of Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and that's the question that we have. Essentially, we call that discovery. When does the state have to show the evidence that they have so the defense can prepare their defense? Well, that is statutory. It's Title 22, Section 2002, Subsection D, and it provides that all issues relating to discovery, except as otherwise provided, will be completed at least 10 days prior to trial. So at the very least, everything must be provided and any disputes related to discovery must be resolved at least 10 days prior to trial. However, you're going to want to get that information before that, and the court has the authority to set orders and deadlines before that, and it's common to do so. So if you are representing a defendant or your defendant, you're going to want that as quickly as possible. You want to file your motion for discovery, requesting everything that you're entitled to, both the general stuff and things that may only be applicable to your case. Be specific about it. And you want to set that for hearing, and you're going to want the judge to enter orders regarding setting a deadline for when the state is to produce all of the discovery that they have. In Oklahoma, when you have that hearing on discovery, we call that an Allen hearing. So you're going to request that it be set for an Allen hearing, and it's going to keep being reset for Allen hearing until you've got everything that the state is required to provide and that there are going to be no surprises going forward. So what does the statute say? When are you entitled to discovery? At least 10 days prior to trial. However, you can request it earlier and you can request the court put deadlines earlier, and it's common to receive those. You always want to be proactive about getting those deadlines in and holding the state to provide those materials as soon as possible so that you can make a defense. If you're dealing with a case in the state of Oklahoma, have questions about criminal defense, criminal law, criminal procedure, you're going to want to talk to an attorney about that privately and confidentially to receive legal advice specific to your circumstances. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.